Wagwan YouTube, it's your boy Click, man, and we're back with another banger reaction for you guys, man. Today we're going to be reacting to Lil Baby's funniest moments. I don't know if you guys seen any clips of him, but he's one of those guys that he doesn't even realize he's funny. He just says stuff and people start laughing and he has like this blank look on his face. So I find that that type of humor really funny. So we're just going to get right into it, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Give this video a thumbs up, help me get it out there. Comment down below any ideas, anything you guys want to say, man. I appreciate it all, man. We're just going to get right into it, like I said. Peace.
As soon as I nut, you can go and leave.
You
I know that's
leave.
not
As soon as I nut, you can go and leave.
Get up on out of here,
Yeah,
man.
definitely ain't talking about your girl with that
You
one.
gotta get up out of here.
You ain't talking about your girl
I ain't
with
talking
that
about my
one.
girl for sure.
That can't.
Sleep.
You sleepy?
Yeah, nah, you got to go. I'm going to sleep. But
The
you
man,
going.
the man was born in '94, okay? He got energy, all right?
Too much.
Is it, what if you really like her?
You can stay, but I doubt it.
These guys stupid.
Amy, you think that Kanye should not do this when he's doing
Like what?
I'm gonna go with these. Throwback.
This thing is funny, bro.
I need them. All these drip. I don't never wear them, but I need them. Appreciate you, buddy. Couple more shoes for the collection I probably never wear. Fuck it. Baby mama tripping about a bitch. I'm just trying to take care of my kids. I've been in the trenches getting rich.
Yeah.
Baby mama tripping about a bitch. You know how that shit go, baby mama. Like, ass always a problem. Got a hole, but I don't even really give a damn.
Yeah, honestly, this thing is so funny.
Your skin look good. You look all fresh.
How do you ask a girl nicely to leave? You can't just kick
Put
her
the
out.
song on.
See, I try to I can't do that. I can't tell you.
I know what he does.
I can't tell you.
This clip was funny for a long time, bro. I don't know if this nigga singing.
Say Gunna's your closest friend in the industry.
Yeah, definitely. I like consider Gunna like we ain't friends. You know what I'm saying? Like we like more than friends. So it's like on a different level. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
I like consider Gunna like we ain't friends. You know what I'm saying? Like we like more than friends. So
He meant brother.
different level. You know what I'm saying?
He meant like brother. He meant like brother, man. Let's not read
I
into that
started
shit.
rapping, and he actually started like helping me. You know what I'm saying? Rap. Like I didn't pay Gunna to write my songs. Like I never put the songs out.
Yeah, this
But
shit was
when I
crazy
first
to me.
started to rap, I used to like pay him like $100. Like I'm gonna give you $100. Like write something for me so I could like try to go in and record it.
I mean, that's
I ain't
nothing
never,
wrong with that shit.
Recorded the songs and put them.
You
out.
learning, right?
Just,
It's like a
practice.
paid
Try
apprenticeship.
to get it right, cause I just like start rapping out of nowhere. Just like I rap. This particular song, like I felt this song. You know what I'm saying? Like one of my bros, as soon as he came in the studio, I told him like, bro, I got one. You know what I'm saying? Like I felt this song. Yeah, that my dog for sure. Yeah, that my dog. Yeah, that my dog for sure.
This shit deep.
Yeah, that my dog.
Shit deep.
Me and my dog, we get them 2 in a row. Me and my dog, we get them 2 in a row.
Alright.
Fuck around and ran into me at the mall.
This nigga's stupid.
I ran into me at the mall. You did?
Craziest thing you've seen locked up in prison.
Nigga get his ear chopped off. Like, blood ski everywhere like a movie. Like, from here all the way to the top of the ceiling. Like, the Mexicans and the white dudes got into it. One of the Mexicans, like, chopped the white dude whole ear off. Like,
That shit.
good.
That shit.
I'm sorry, let me get my 5 band, bro.
I can't wait to get you. I can't.
Right now.
He's so funny. He's so funny, man.
I know. They stay trying to clown YK. I don't know why. You know he's our usher of this generation, man.
No, let me tell you how you rich you is, nigga. You don't even bother me about that.
Want me to wait on your next hit?
Yeah,
What?
yeah, I got you too.
Boy, owe me 5,000, man. I'm waiting on your next hit.
Yo, this nigga owe a lot of people money.
I'm gonna invoice your label.
What?
Invoice your label.
He being dead ass too.
I know, but I see you. You know, when you're a player, you don't have nobody when they owe you till you see him. And when you see him, you like, hey, come on.
I asked you, I told you, niggas said this. I told you where you at.
I'm texting you.
Even me.
Nigga said he want his money, bro.
I didn't text
When I owe him, he don't text me. You just wait till you see me.
Hey, look. Last time when I prayed over you, I came, you said come to the house. Well, I did. Came right to the house.
Yeah, but I told you, this time you owe me. Come back to the house. Come back to the house. That's a lot.
We gotta add interest on that shit.
About 5, 6 months. I should get a little interest. So I got into a fight. You know what I'm saying? And that sent me back.
Okay, you got into a fight with a white dude.
Exactly.
Okay.
Was it like a racist thing? Was it like whites and blacks kind of clicked up in there?
How you know that?
Well, that's just how prison is most times.
I'm talking about how you know I got into it with a white
guy, yeah. Oh, that nigga caught him.
When I found the plug, changed my number, drop top coupe for the summer.
Yeah, that nigga move like he high, but he ain't high. He seeing everything.
Who buy me a coupe? You know what I'm saying? Simple as that. Change my number, he probably looking for me. But when he see me, I'm gonna be in the coupe. Pull up at my show.
Weak ass drops you be doing.
When DJ starts playing the baby truck and expects you to come back.
Man, make sure you come out. Weak ass nigga.
Yo, that hairstyle alone is fucking hilarious to me.
What time it is? Would you look at your left wrist or your right wrist?
My phone.
you look at your
Simple
phone,
as.
right? That's the crazy shit.
So you got 2 watches and you still looking at your phone.
Yeah.
What's the point of 2 watches then?
Actually, let me be honest.
Mm-hmm.
I told this girl to bring my jewelry. She brought both watches. So I couldn't leave one in the car, so I put both on there. What's up? It's Lil Baby here. Tune in to the Billboard Music Awards and see me present the award for Top Hot 100 Song presented by Rockstar Energy. See you there.
Now, I like
this
your
nigga
Twitter,
trolling.
man. You be saying you said you a bitch going through the bitch call log. You telling me you never you said you a bitch going through the bitch call log.
Yeah, you be on my Twitter? I just shot with my Twitter.
But what does that mean? You ain't never went through a girl's phone ever?
Yeah, but you be a bitch doing it.
Oh, okay. So
I ain't gonna cap. Yeah, but
keeping it real.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't saying I won't do it now.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Yeah, but that bitch like.
El Chapo was
True.
in prison twice. Did you ever have thoughts on breaking out?
You really ain't no breaking out that shit. You gotta it's ways to do it, but if you got money like El Chapo, you know what I'm saying?
that's different. Yeah, those niggas dug tunnels for him, bro.
I had a lot of time like nigga had to come get me in the helicopter. For real. Like
For real.
in hell niggas sitting there all their life and just sit there like helicopter, come get me like son.
What kind of laugh is that? Nigga sound like a raptor from Jurassic Park.
Yeah. Damn, I'm on live. Then I always been that nigga who fucking a nigga hoe, so like, I ain't never been into like even if I call a nigga fucking my hoe, I ain't my problem.
100%, bro.
Cause I know how these females be. You feel me? So I don't even know how I take a nigga coming at me about a girl, cause nobody ain't.
I would never do that shit, bro.
Yeah, so if your girl
Real shit.
with me, you need to take that up with her.
Yeah, bro.
Not me. You feel me?
This random nigga has no loyalty to you, bro. Like that has nothing to do with him. I've always said it, bro. So if you're with a girl and she do something with somebody else, why you gonna fight the nigga for? He don't know you. And even if he does, he doesn't owe shit to you. It's not like it's your brother or something. You know what I mean? Like niggas are weird.
Like you and my girl was fucking around, and my problem with the girl, cause that's where my loyalty's supposed to be at. I miss you, man. Damn.
Let's get a real one. I didn't know
You invited to the house. Gotta come by yourself though. You invited to the house. Gotta come by yourself though.
Make that clear.
What do you mean by that?
Deja keep
What
on
do you
calling.
mean?
She said she ready to pull as soon as I get there.
Yo, this
I'ma
nigga.
put her on the floor
I don't think this nigga wanted to
when
be
I
here
was
for
in the
this.
Studio making a song, like this girl named Deja just kept calling. Like Deja kept on calling. She still be calling. Like I don't answer.
I feel like he was just told to show up and he's like, oh fuck, all right, yeah. So he's just talking to his, yeah, no, fuck it.
But the full Nelson just don't go for Deja. That's like anybody. You know what I'm saying? When I get there, you going in the full Nelson like. If I move.
Okay.
I'm checking your feet, man.
This
The
interview
Reeboks?
was so funny.
Reebok.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, Reeboks?
Definitely Reebok.
Oh, them is Reeboks.
Oh,
Okay.
that's right, okay.
I saw you tweet out Reebok back your whole hood Reebok for a year straight. What you did a deal with them or something?
Something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah, that's the first one.
Why can't you moving like a crackhead, bro?
Oh, okay. What's up?
Why they always roasting my dog,
Show your
bro?
boy how to do it. You know what I'm saying? That's why a kid around here. Show my kid how to do it.
Man, don't play with
You gotta go follow that each pipe. You know what I'm saying? Quarter at each pack. You know what I'm saying? 80 ball, Celine jean. You know what I'm saying? Can't just, man, you know. Codeine, all them a piss.
Huh?
I don't take drugs no more. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had to cut back all the lean. I'm on probation and shit. Probation, she watched my interviews and everything, you know what I'm saying? So, shit, I don't take drugs no more.
It's interesting to me that at first when you came up here, it didn't seem like you were so gung-ho on being an artist. It was kind of something that happened because of who you were around. But now, since then, you've been putting out a whole lot of music. So it's kind of like you fell in love
Because
with
you
it.
realized you was good at
When I
it.
came, I really wasn't. First time I came.
Mm-hmm.
I was rapping, but I really wasn't feeling it myself. You know what I'm saying? But like now, I done kind of got into it.
But now you're 100% in.
Not at 100, but last time I probably was like 5%. You know what I'm saying?
You 25
I'm
now.
like 60%.
Oh, okay.
When you were a student in school, what type of student were you growing up?
I ain't gonna say I was bad, but like, you know, I stayed in some though. Like, get suspended for 3 days. First day back, suspended again.
That's lovely.
Now
That's
they
the way
make
to
all
go.
the teachers say they quit. Like, every time you come to class, it's bad. Like, give me passes to go to the gym to skip class. Like my teacher, like, just go to the gym.
So you don't get in
If
trouble.
You never come back to my class, I'm gonna give you a C to pass you. Like,
Oh, shit. This nigga was a
you know,
problem
middle
then.
School nigga, bad fights or stay suspended for doing something like
Ever expelled or just suspended?
what? Like, I damn near got put out.
Wait,
every
that-
school I ever went to, even the alternative school, like the school you go to when you get expelled, I done got put out of them. Like,
Where do you go when you get expelled out of alternative school?
nowhere.
Real rich niggas having pressure about a bitch. I got all my cases dismissed. And that part really ain't true. Got some other cases
Yo,
dismissed.
they told us.
Some,
They told this nigga to like go in there and clear
You know what I'm saying?
this shit
I
up
had so
before they
many
use this
cases.
shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Before they use this shit against you in court. That's what they told this nigga to do, bro.
They just dropped them all, really. You want something in? Give me a paper plate.
Chef Lil Baby.
Y'all want some? Y'all want some?
Look like you burning mac and cheese. What is that?
I'm talking about live. They want some.
Yeah, what? I want y'all. Yeah, what y'all? It's a dollar. That boy, $1. Ooh, you just look like a fool. Yeah, with a fool stand. Ooh, you turned around. Look, I got you, big boy.
How you feel?
I honestly definitely didn't understand shit he said.
Yeah, who you telling? Who you telling? You gotta have them shorts. I see you got a little short swag for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You getting that money?
Yeah, I'm getting a little money. You know, a lot of people starting to notice and shit. I don't get money.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
yeah. I just gotta go get the veneers, man. I ain't went teeth yet.
Gotta go.
I tried to go chain, but you know, I had to go and get the little bust down,
You
man.
need to get down with us.
Yeah, yeah.
You need to get down with us.
You said like 10 niggas with like Richard Millers.
I'm saying you need to fuck with us.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
God.
All right, well, little baby. Yeah, man, go ahead and
Harder
let
than
that
ever.
stack drop out your pocket. It's falling out anyway. Just go on and let it fall.
Charlamagne gonna
No,
dive
don't
on
do
that
that.
floor like a
This nigga been watching that
Right
shit.
now.
I hope you
Let
don't do
stack
that.
drop,
I hope you
man.
don't do that. The New York script, they go crazy.
Honestly, a lot of the shit this nigga says I don't.